Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all can know from the description, this video is going to be about some of the things or the products which have been my absolute favorites in this month of June. I'll be talking about all the products as I use them. If you want to get them, you can get them because these products are very affordable and they're very nice. And since I personally use these products, I just love them. I think I'm gonna make this video every month, something like my absolute favorites of June, my absolute favorites of July. Without any further ado, let's start this video. The first thing I'll be talking about is this shower gel which I got from Body Shop, and it's in the flavor, I don't know what you call it, it's in British Rose. I love this because it smells amazing. You feel fresh when you use it. You feel like really fresh, and I just love it. So if you want to get a shower gel, you can get this, but only get this when you've like sale or the prices are low, because it's thoda sa pricey according to the shower gel in the market. So if you get this, just like get it on sale or discount, because learn to save money. Just for a shower. And the second thing which I'm going to talk about is something which I believe is important for every woman out there. Let me just sit somewhere and talk about it. Since this video is about my monthly favorites, I would also like to include one of the feminine hygiene products which I've been using, which are the Carmesi Sensitive Sanitary Pads. So I have been using these pads and they have been an integral part of my monthly cycle because they've benefited me in a lot of ways. I'll tell you how. Firstly, these pads, they do not irritate or bother if you have already sensitive skin down there. The topmost layer of this pad is made up of corn-based sheet, which is antibacterial. It's really soft and does not cause any rashes. We also have a certification from gynecologists being 100% rash free, so you can trust them fully, as we have the expert credibility here. And the bottom layer of this pad will never make you feel sweaty because you can see it is made up of breathable material. So you can check out how wide the back side of the pad is, giving you maximum coverage, and it does not stain or leak at all. These pads come in different sizes and each size cater to different flows. I personally use extra large for extra heavy flow because they give me great coverage and it doesn't stain or leak at all. The best part about these pads are they come in disposable bags, so you can carry them along with you whenever you go out, and you can also dispose them in these bags. These bags are made up of biodegradable material. I think they're very well priced on the current offer on Carmesi website, and with my coupon code ARUSHI06 you get an additional 20% discount on all the products. So I'll put the link in my description box and you can check them out, and trust me, you will have a much happier, irritation free and rash free period. They're also available on Amazon, so do check them out and let me know. So that was just about Carmesi, and now let me just do my moisturizing thing. So this moisturizer I've been using, I'm not gonna tell you all because I've started using it and I'll review it after some time. Third thing I'll be talking about is this Chotu eye gel. Using this eye gel since 3 or 4 years, I believe. My friends say that this doesn't work for them, but it works really good for me. Like, I feel so relaxed after applying this, and this is from Biotique Bio Advanced Eye Gel, which I have. It's just really good for me. Reminding you all, drink water. The fourth thing we'll talk about is this body mist from Nykaa, and this is in strawberry daiquiri. I don't know how you pronounce it, and it smells so good. So Samarthya and I, when we went for this photo shoot, he was just so impressed by my choice of body mists. He just loved it, and I love it too. It's so good, but it's more fruity smell. So if you're a person who likes fruity fragrances, it is the best thing you can get. This is how it looks. It's like some strawberry thing, and it's really good. Next thing I'm going to talk about are these wheat strips. So for me, these strips have worked really well because one, I can use them myself if I want. Second, these strips are not that painful as compared to waxing. Third, the hair growth differs from person to person. For me, if I use this strip, my hair starts regrowing like after a month, so that's fine for me. And fourth, they're very economical as well. Go out for waxing, they charge you a lot, and these strips are just for like 200. You know, the last I used razor was when I was in 10th standard, and at that time you just use razor because you see some people in your school getting their legs waxed and you cannot because your mom says बेटा अभी नहीं करानी वैक्सिंग, 12th के बाद वैक्सिंग करा लेना. तो उस टाइम पे you're too curious and I used my dad's razor and my mom scolded me a lot. But it's fine only. I guess everybody do that. Have you done that too? Let me know in the comment section. So my mom is a huge fan of hand creams and foot creams, and recently even I've discovered my love for the same hand cream which my mom uses. Oh, so it's like over. I just found out it somewhere only for you guys. So this is strawberry and vanilla and it smells good. I don't know, I'm just obsessed with things that smell good. So it smells so good. The other one is French lavender and honey. These both are the hand creams and these are too moisturizing, too good, and your hands smell too good. Also, it's my video and I'm talking about something which is my absolute favorite. Food has to be there, and I have these Dairy Milk Choco Minis. Oh my god, I do not like chocolate as such, but these Choco Minis are so good. I mean, they do not actually like taste like Dairy Milk, but they have some like different taste, better than Dairy Milk honestly. And this is how these Choco Minis look, and they have Dairy Milk inside them. They're so good, so good. So I recommend you all to get some Dairy Milk Choco Minis. Okay, I got them for Big Bazaar. Just see if you have some supermarket around, you can get them. The next thing I'm going to talk about is something which I believe everybody should have, and if you are not taking care of it, you should, because it just helps you to progress further in life. So this is a page on Instagram called Stay Noted, and they sent me a bunch of diaries so that I can note down some important stuff, some to-do lists, and some like small cute diaries. This diary which they sent me, and I can show you, it has like blank pages, and I can actually write down whatever I want to write down, actually note down whatever things I have to do in a day, and like everything which is really important for me, some important things, some to-dos, some goals. You can get these diaries or these notes, these to-do lists from them, so you can just do your work in a better and organized manner. Last thing I'll be talking about is this moisturizer, which is from Wow. It is their apple cider vinegar oil-free face moisturizer. And this is for the people who have really oily skin, because it controls excess sweating and also hydrates your oily skin. Also, the light is gone. So I am gonna end this video here. This was it for my June favorites and my June must-haves. All these products which I've been using are amazing, and if you also want them, you can just go check them out. You can get them easily anywhere, but the most important product is, which I'm gonna link down below. You can go and get it and use my coupon code and thank me later.